Now, amid showdown over the brutal rape and murder of the women junior doctor at the R G Kar hospital, the CBI has now deepened the investigation in the case. For the very first time, the Central Bureau of Investigation has questioned Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of the hospital. Now, other bosses of the hospital and the staff who were present in the hospital on the night of the crime has also been questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The CCTV footage is also being closely examined, and the phone of the accused has also been sent for forensic to track his movement. Now, according to the sources, the Central Bureau of Investigation team has come to know that on the fateful night, the victim and her friends had ordered food from an online delivery service, and 4 colleagues who had dinner with the victim have been questioned by the CBI team as well, and even the delivery boy who delivered the meal that night. Now, the big question now arises in when the crime took place and, in fact, who all were involved in this. Now, according to the sources, the accused is in police custody. His name is Sanjoy Roy. He first visited the hospital at 11 p.m. On that night and came out within 30 minutes, whereas the victim was seen sleeping at 3 a.m. In midnight. However, the accused Sanjoy Roy again visited the hospital between 3:45 to 3:50 a.m. and came out 30 minutes later. Now, whereas the initial autopsy report states that the accused died 3.5 to 4 hours after having her last meal. Now, CBI is trying to connect the dots as far as this case is concerned. Now, this is as far as the CBI case is concerned, but now National Commission for Women has also waded in. The inquiry committee, remember, they had visited the spot and they have uncovered lapses in the police investigation, security and infra of the hospital. The committee's initial findings have highlighted a glaring deficiency in the investigation that was conducted by the Calcutta police. It has now been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation. The report says that there was evidence tampering, stating that the seminar hall of the hospital where the crime took place was undergoing sudden renovation. The NCW inquiry report also highlighted a glaring lack of security measures within the hospital premises. It pointed out the absence of basic amenities, especially for the female doctors and nurses in the hospital. Now, amid outrage on the rape and murder of the postgraduate trainee doctor in Calcutta, the Indian Medical Association today has called for a nationwide shutdown of all the medical services, irrespective of the sector of the workplace. Now, in its list of demand, the association called for a central law to be implemented to ensure the safety of doctors and healthcare workers. The Medical Association further said that the security details of the hospital should be no less than an airport. So these are the demands that have been put up by the Indian Medical Association, that has also called for a nationwide shutdown of the medical services. My colleague Shreya joins us live on the broadcast. Shreya, today doctors, in fact, IMA has called for a nationwide shutdown, but also as far as the CBI probe is concerned, it has also intensified. Give us more details.
You know, of course, we see that the IMA have called for a nationwide shutdown. And as far as the CBI is concerned, remember, after the intervention by the Calcutta High Court, after the case has been transferred to that of the CBI from Kolkata Police, we see that they get custody of Sanjoy Roy. Now, he is being questioned. Not only Sanjoy Roy, but also 13 RG Kar staffers at CBI office. CBI is recording their statement. In fact, remember, CBI team have reached the victim's residence. They have recorded the statement of the parents as well. In fact, the CBI team yesterday went to RG Kar. They went to the place of occurrence. So, of course, we see that the CBI cracks down on the case. Remember, as far as the Chief Minister is concerned, she has given a deadline. She has said that the case is to be solved by that of Sunday. All the accused are to be brought to books and they are to be hanged. So, of course, we see that CBI cracks down on the entire case.
Shreya, stay on with us. Now, 7 days after the brutal rape and murder of 31-year-old trainee, Mamata Banerjee took to the street to seek justice for the victim. Now, the question that is being asked is who should answer for the law and order in the state. Mamata Banerjee march took place a day after High Court said that midnight vandalism at RG Kar Medical College was absolute failure of the state machinery and cops could not even protect their own people. But who do cops report to? It's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister, in fact, said deadline for the probe into the lapses in the case, and the government hospital where the crime took place tops the list of the culprits. But who should answer for the issues regarding the health infrastructure? The answer of these all questions is same. It's Mamata Banerjee. She's the Chief Minister, she's the Home Minister, she's the Health Minister of the state of West Bengal. Yet, in a bizarre display of political theatrics, on Friday, she protested against her own government's failure as the head of the state. The buck stops with the lady who demands accountability from others. Now, Mamata Banerjee said that CBI is not doing its job properly. BJP as well as the left party, that is CPIM, are to be blamed for the violence that took place in the hospital on the night of the Independence Day. And the cops have been stellar in performing their duties. Now, interestingly, even her own cops do not think so. A day after blaming media and malicious campaign, Kolkata CP Vinod Goyal, in fact, admitted that there was an assessment of the failure, and the BJP is now demanding an end to this game of passing the buck and whataboutery.
আমি জানি সিপিএম আর বিজেপি ভাঙচুরটা করেছে আরজি করে গিয়ে নাটক করেও যখন শেষ হয়নি আমি সাধারণ মানুষের প্রতিবাদকে স্যালুট জানাই সাধারণ মা বোনেদের সেখানে আমার কিছু বলার নেই নিশ্চয়ই তারা তাদের ঠিক কাজ করেছেন বলে আমার মনে হয় কিন্তু বলুন তো রাত্রি 1টার সময় 12টার পরে সিপিএম এর ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ নিয়ে ভিডিওতে দেখা যাচ্ছে ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ আর বিজেপি নিয়েছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ সব জায়গায় পলিটিক্যাল কাজে ব্যবহার করা যায় না ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগের কোড আছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগকে মিসইউজ করেছে পানিশমেন্ট হওয়া উচিত এটা একটা ক্রিমিনাল অফেন্স
ইট ওয়াজ এ লিডারলেস ক্রাউড I think anticipating कि श्याम बाजार 5000 लोग आसबे या रूबीते 10,000 लोग आसबे या 8बीते अतो लोग आसबे गरियाते कतो लोग आसबे there are numerous number of places where large crowds had gathered and since it is very very difficult to make an assessment.
मैं दोबारा कहती हूँ तेरा रेप मेरा रेप की पॉलिटिक्स को बंद करें ममता दी। क्या अब लड़की के बलात्कार के लिए उसके इंसाफ के लिए हिंदुस्तान की जनता तभी आवाज उठाएगी उस लड़की की और उस प्रदेश की पॉलिटिक्स को देखकर? विरोध प्रदर्शन किसके खिलाफ किया? प्रदेश की होम मिनिस्टर ममता जी हैं। हेल्थ का चार्ज किसके पास है? मुख्यमंत्री कौन है? तो किसके खिलाफ वो प्रदर्शन कर रही थी? अपने खिलाफ।
Well, as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned, the TMC chief remains in denial over the accountability. She has pinned the blame on the outsiders from Bam and Ram, that by that she means BJP and left, for the violence that took place on the Independence Day, while asserting her support and clean chit to the student protester. The opposition, however, is not convinced with this. Listen in.
CBI को केस रिकमेंड करने के लिए उन्हें सिर्फ 70 सेकंड चाहिए थे, यानी कागज पे दस्तखत करना। उसमें तो कह रही थी 7 दिन का समय चाहिए। अब ये कहना मुझे लगता है कि ये सिर्फ उनकी खिसियाहट नहीं बल्कि शरारत का भी।
ममता बनर्जी लेडी ऑफ सब्सटेंस हैं। कितने उन्होंने जख्म खाए हैं, कितनी चोट मिली है उनको, कितनी तकलीफ हुई है, उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने आप को ट्राइड, टेस्टेड और सक्सेसफुल लीडर साबित कर दिया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दोस्तों वो जो है जब कोई मौका मिलता है ऐसा लगता है बहुत डिस्परेट हो गए हैं, बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए हैं। वो हर बार अटैक करते हैं और डायरेक्ट कोई भी घटना होती है, भले ही बहुत जघन्य घटना है, लेकिन सीधे मुख्यमंत्री पे ही आरोप लगाते हैं।
ये तो पश्चिम बंगाल की पुलिस जो है ममता बनर्जी की घर का नौकर बंधुआ मजदूर बन चुका है। ममता बनर्जी अपना शो चलाने के लिए दूसरे किसी को शो तो कुछ करने नहीं देगा। तो खुद चीफ मिनिस्टर है, खुद होम मिनिस्टर है, खुद हेल्थ मिनिस्टर है, तो किसके खिलाफ वो लड़ रही थी? किसके खिलाफ वो जा रही थी जुलूस करने के लिए? सरकार चलाना आपका काम है और आप दौड़ रहे हैं खिलाफत करने के लिए। ये नहीं चलेगा और इसलिए बंगाल बीजेपी को ऐसे रोकने की कोशिश की जा रही है। ये भी ममता बनर्जी को हम आश्वस्त करते हैं, ये आंदोलन बंद नहीं होगा, काल भी आंदोलन चलेगा।
Colleague Shreya continues to be live with us on the phone line. Shreya, Mamata Banerjee is pinning the blame on BJP as well as the left party, but BJP is saying why is she not taking the responsibility? She's a home minister, she's a health minister.
Well, of course, we see that the opposition is asking question at this point in time that who exactly is Mamata Banerjee protesting against. Remember, we saw it was Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself who have hit the street yesterday. She was demanding for capital punishment. She was demanding all the accused to be hanged and also all the accused to be brought to book by that of Sunday. First, Mamata Banerjee sets a deadline for that of Kolkata police to crack down the case by that of Sunday. Otherwise, she said the case will be transferred to CBI. Now, when Calcutta High Court intervenes and hands over the case to CBI, Mamata Banerjee then comes out to demand the CBI to solve the case by that of Sunday and hang all the accused. So, of course, at this point in time, the pertinent question that the opposition is asking is that when she is herself the Home Minister and the Health Minister, who exactly is Mamata Banerjee protesting against? Now, as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned, we have seen Chief Minister have said that she understands the students' protest. She is with the students and she is agreeing with all their demands. Now, we see that Mamata Banerjee also holds the BJP and the left responsible for the vandalism in RG Kar Hospital. We have seen that on 14th midnight, a mob have entered RG Kar and then they have done vandalism. Now, Mamata Banerjee clearly says that it has got nothing to do with the students' movement and the people who have entered were outsiders, and this is a political conspiracy by that of the BJP and the left.
Shreya, stay on with us. We have live visuals of the protest that these women are doing in West Bengal. These are coming in from West Bengal. They are on to the streets right now protesting and seeking justice for the victim. Remember, in the last few days, doctors as well as the civil society people are in fact on the streets seeking justice for the victim. Today, in fact, the IMA has announced withdrawal of all the medical services. All this because no accountability is being taken by anyone.